Okay, so super quick false chord stuff. If you're making sounds like A, E, like that's got too much, it's too much of a whispery and you're only sort of just getting the false chord kind of things going. So there's a few ways you can do false chord. The classic one you see on the internet a lot is the deep sigh, which is like and you keep doing that kind of thing. The one I learned is you pretend to be a big dog, so you're like woof, and I just set the dogs off. Woof, woof. That one still has a bit of airiness in it. The newer way to sort of learn it is more of a throat singing thing, and the way you get that sound that I found the easiest. Oh my god, I really set them off. Hi B, shut up! You do a throat clearing thing, and that sounds like and you want that rumbly bit to keep going. So and you can sort of play with the shape of your mouth, try and get more of that rolly R sound. I don't know if it'll work for you, but give it a go.